is Ashley. I just want to show you how to make brick fence over the chain link fence. This is the chain link fence that I bought chicken wires. I put it both sides. Okay, you get this kind of wires. Show this wire. And you cut it, and from the back to the front, both sides of the chain link fence, you put chicken wires like this way, both ways. And with the wire, you cut it in pieces like this. From the back to the front, you will tighten up. Like you put like this. And after that, you put 1 coat cement on the chicken wires. And you don't have to make it smooth, make it rough. So when you put bricks, it will hold it very, very good. Well, and when you make it, after you do the cement, let it dry for a while, at least about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Not too dry, not too wet. And then you'll get your bricks, any kind of bricks you want. Of course, for the fence, it will be nice when you have tiny ones. And you make your own cement, which is cement should be like creamy. Can you show here? It should be like creamy like this. And then you put it on. Of course, the wrong side, right side, there is. You don't have to smooth it or anything. Just put lump like this, because the wall over here, it's uneven. And it's better like this, because when you put the cement, you can push it in, and it will really go in. Do not worry about the lumps and the bumps over here. Later on, you can clean it with the brush, but it looks already like a Spanish style. It will look very, very nice. Over here you see that I planted all the bushes, but this part it's open. So when we open the gate, it will have a space to open the door towards to the wall. So we put the cement like this again, and then you give the design what you like. You can put on top of each other, or you can put an angle, or you put whichever way you want. And this is the way it looks. I did already the other side. I want to show you the other side. This is the gate that when I open it, that I have to come out. I want to show you here the way I did it. This is how it covers. You will have little privacy, but bushes are nice, but I just wanted to show you that this is how it's going to look, and this is how you do it. It's very easy and simple, and I hope you will try it. Thank you for watching again. Just try and you will have it very beautiful wall. This is the way you fill the cement. You don't have to be too picky. Just put lump and put on it. Just push it in. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.